YouTube, what's going on? Hey man, I hope y'all day going great. Mine is going superb. You see what's going on? Oh, hey, but today I got something special for y'all. We got the kids, right? Oh, boy, break. Oh. Yeah, that shit don't roll with me. What's going on? Like I was saying, today I got some pit bite action for you. I got some pit bite action for y'all, man. My son done took my GoPro, mine on his helmet, and went crazy, man. So y'all don't judge him. He took the brightness up too high on the camera setting, but y'all tap in, man. Like, subscribe, comment, and like I said, man, keep on sharing, keep on caring. It is. You good? It came off.
Somebody didn't brake when they needed to brake.
Oh, you try to come around this backside. You good? You went into that?
Yeah, he went into the that log in the fence. It's good right now. He's screaming.
I thought I heard. I got that came out.
Daddy, you should have seen my crash.
Walking up and all here screaming.
That's what I said. I thought I heard, but then it got quiet again. I said, let me bring the bike out. This guy is on the flat. I'm like, he doesn't care. I'm like,
oh no, he don't care. He gonna get out here.
Yeah, they good. Then my boy that came out here and took a little spill out here on that figure 8 out here. It get a little slick. This guy think, cause it's his track, he on the Supercross.
Oh yeah. Well, he knows that he's good.
I'm like, I'll go get my girl.
He's more so like up and back and forth on the throttle. He just going.
Yeah.
He's flowing right there.
Right. This guy's crazy. Do y'all see this flat tire? Look at this.
Don't get it.
If this ain't his daddy's son. When y'all come to that point right there, every time, always hesitate just a little bit. Look at this guy. So all he doing is putting everything he done watched together.
That's good for him though.
Right.
He kind of has that example of, hey, this is what you do, this is what you don't do.
Right. Technique right here, and let the gas come out your bowl.
Don't tell me you done already ran all the gas up out of this thing.
Yeah! Camera. What? You want camera, just remember that.
It's all good.
So YouTube.
Whose water is that on?
I'm taking a break. I'm taking a water break. These jumps are big out here, twin. Go on up. We're going the biggest jump. Whoa, no! Mine didn't crash, y'all. No, ladies, do not forget him. I'm catching up to him, ladies. this dirt bike. All right, let me try it on my YZ65. You do not have a YZ65.
Bruh.
Oh, my YZ. Oh, now. Yeah, what I gonna do about my two-stroke? Follow YZ 155, baby. Follow him.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, start up.
Yes. If we want to film. If we want to film. Up there. Daddy. Daddy. I was asking if you want to jump. No, it was like all the way. I just want to go right there. Come on. Yo, bro, you wanna go on the jump? We go on the jump? What? Wanna go on the jump? You wanna go on the jump?
Oh my God, you that mad, gang? Why you so mad, G? Oh my God. You mad at the bike like that? What? Oh my God. What did it do to you?